What if your pacemaker or space rover could run forever without needing a battery change? Nuclear diamond batteries are here, revolutionizing power and energy storage. How do they work, you ask? They use tiny amounts of radioactive isotopes like carbon-14, which are byproducts of nuclear reactors. These isotopes are safely encapsulated within synthetic diamond layers, ensuring no radiation leaks. Diamonds contain radiation safely, acting as a perfect shield. Radiation interacts with the diamond, creating a small but steady electrical current through the beta-voltaic effect. Where can we use these innovative batteries? Medical implants, remote sensors, and even deep space probes exploring the far reaches of our solar system. Anywhere needing long-lasting, reliable power that doesn't require frequent maintenance. Prototypes show promising results with potential for widespread use. Ensuring safety and adhering to strict regulations is critical for their success. The future looks bright for nuclear diamond batteries with endless possibilities. Exciting, right? The next era of power generation is here.